Piny owacho kwa mondo mi oneni oganda mayudo omenda makony maya kuom piny owacho dwe ka dwe oyudo omendago. Ma en kaluwore gi mago mawachore ni moko kuom wede jogo ma igi oniang' imayo omenda gi familia maggi. Jaratije mar Ahadi Trust Kenya Stanley Kamau wacho ni osefwenyore ni omendago kony joma owinjore gi konya ahinya koorgi ka gisekunore. Mamiyo anyuola kod familia thoro geto mayo jogo ma hikgi oniang' omenda makamago. Mabiro mana juma achiel kende bang' jaduong' moro sub-location ma Githembe County, sub-county ma Kigumo nomonji ma omenda maromo shillings 8,000 manochul gi piny owacho. Ruoth ma gweng'no kwedo monj ma kamago ka gikwayo rawere mondo mi okony rito jodongo kar mayogi.
This cash transfer that was given recently, it has created a lot of havoc, it has created trauma, it has created a lot of pain to some of our elderly persons in this country. It's a high time that we think about the security of the persons living with disability and the elderly in our society. It's very sad that we have young people who are harassing their parents, harassing their grandfathers, harassing their fathers, harassing their mothers because of the cash transfer. We need to come up with a system where this money can be distributed, if possible, every month without fail. When you give an lump sum amount of money to the elderly people, you are risking their lives, you are risking their dignity.
Imeripotiwa kwangu na mzee mmoja ambaye pesa yake after kupewa aliporwa na vijana, lakini tunafuatilia kujua hao vijana ni wagani. Na pia ningependa kuchukua nafasi hii kuwaonya vijana tusikue watu wa kuhandaa wazee wetu. Kile kidogo wamepewa na serikali tuache na tuwapee heshima na tuwapee amani wakikitumia.